Hey friends, what's up? Welcome back. Today we have received a very positive news regarding the safety rating of Mahindra's XUV 700. The vehicle has received a maximum of 5 star in global NCAP crash test. This is a very positive news for all the Mahindra fans and also the buyers who have booked the Mahindra's XUV 700 earlier, right? So it's very interesting to see such results. So the vehicle has scored a maximum of 57.69 points out of 66, which is the total score, which is really impressive. And Mahindra and Tata are constantly making 5-star global NCAP test rated cars, which is really surprising, and it's very positive among the buyers. And finally, buyers are also feeling the build quality of both these manufacturers, and they are constantly flocking their money into buying these type of cars. So it's really good, man. One interesting thing to notice from the above video is that when the XUV 700 is crash tested in front end, the rear bumper is not coming out. So it definitely has a strong bumper, and the plastic tailgate has its own merits. So buyers need not to worry about the fiber tailgate, which has been a hot topic of discussion among automotive enthusiasts last month. So the safety rating of 5 star along with ADAS, which is Advanced Driver Assistance System, TCS, ESP, ABS, are also further strengthening the safety parameters of XUV 700. So buyers need not worry about the safety of XUV 700, especially the plastic tailgate or fiber tailgate, which has been a hot topic of discussion. So finally, this SUV has scored an impressive of 5 star in global NCAP test. See, actually, it possesses a lesson for other car manufacturers. See, cars like Maruti and Hyundai are constantly churning out 2 star or 3 star or even 0 star rated cars. So they must also come forward and try 5 star rated cars, so that it saves people life in case of an unexpected accident or a mishap. See, Maruti buyers are constantly buying Maruti cars in spite of lack of safety due to the reliability of their cars. So if they improve their safety parameters of their particular cars, Maruti can regain its market share, which is going downside. So friends, if you like this video, do support, subscribe, like, share and comment. Okay, thank you guys, love you all, stay safe.